Good morning, students. As we are talking the last point of our this chapter, the name of chapter was private, public, and global enterprise. This is the last point that we will understand today. The name of this point is private public partnership, which is also known by the name PPP. Okay, what does mean PPP? Private public and partnership. Now we will understand. It means an enterprise in which a project or service is financed and operated through a partnership of government and private enterprises. When one private enterprises start to work combinedly with the government enterprises, at that time PPP come in existence. Okay, and we should also understand this point. This type of partnership is made for huge project, and all the service is financed by the partnership of government and private sector enterprises make a partnership deed, and this type of deed is made among private company and public company both. Okay, so we have understood service is financed and operated through a partnership of government and private enterprises. Without making an partnership deed, they cannot go in this type of partnership. Okay, now we will understand the features of private public partnership. The first feature is facilitate partnership between public sector and private sector. You have heard about that when two companies start working, at that time they make the partnership deed or agreement. But today we will learn when a private company and government company jointly start work, at that time when partnership is made, which will be called private public partnership deed. Okay, all the terms and conditions are written in this deed. How much finance is will be given by the government, how much finance will be given by the private sector enterprises. All the terms and conditions will be involved in this deed. Now we will see the second point. Second feature is pertaining high priority project. As we have talked about this when we were talking about the meaning, this partnership come in existence for doing a high project. We can take the example of Metro Railway Corporation, Delhi Metro Railway Corporation. When there is need of metro railway, at that time the private company and Delhi company, means central government, both start to do the work for the metro train. At that time we can say it is used for the high priority project. Now we will see the third point, suitable for big project. As we have talked about, this is the same thing, and it is not made for the smaller project, because it is made for the big project. Because capital intensive and heavy industry and capital intensive, it means it is suitable for the big project. Now we will see the fourth point, public welfare example. We can take the example public welfare, as we have talked about the Delhi Metro Railway Corporation or Lucknow Metro Railway Corporation. And the fifth and last point is the sharing revenue. Okay, revenue is shared between government and private enterprise. As when this type of work is going to be started, at that time both government and private company both invest their money to start the project. In the same way, when they get the revenue, it will also be distributed. As in any partnership, all the partners distribute their profit among the agreed ratio. In the same way, government and private company both share the revenue. Whatever the revenue of the project will come, they will distribute among themselves in the agreed ratio. Okay student, I think you have understood what does private public partnership or PPP means very well, and you have also seen what are the features of the PPP. Somewhere it is needed. Government can invest the money. All the government has the public sectors for doing the work, but the private sector enterprises are also doing very well. If both government as well as company join their hand and they start to do the big project, it means the government will give its 100% effort, and in the same way, when private organizations will use the best technology, the efficient labor, the efficient employees, at that time when the work will be done, it means the result will be the beyond the dreams. I have talked about the metro trains all over India, as well as you can see this in foreign countries also. There is a very wonderful work which is to be completed by the PPP, means private public partnership. Okay, so students, you will learn all these points in this chapter. This chapter is very important for examination, and you have understood each and every point of this chapter very well. Okay, now till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.